Hi there, students. I had a request from Manuel to make a video about cleft sentences. Okay, let's see. Cleft sentences are a way of adding emphasis, a way of adding new information. And very often we do this either with it or with what, or one of these words like that. So it was the price of the book that made me buy it. Okay, what interested me about the book were the pretty colours. It was the size of the knife that was impressive. What impressed me about the knife was its side. Okay, so these are all examples of cleft sentences. So, yeah, it was Sam who came top of the class. So we all thought that Susan was going to come top of the class, but in fact it was Sam. So we are putting emphasis on the subject. Yeah, it was my mother, not my brother, who was a famous artist. Yeah. So I didn't do it last week. I did it yesterday. It wasn't last week that I finished the project. It was yesterday. Okay, these are examples of cleft sentences. You can have a pseudo cleft sentence as well, where you don't have a full second clause. What I need is a break. Yeah, what I like is the sweet flavour. Okay, so let's see. With these cleft sentences, you take two sentences that are declarations. Yeah. So the sun was shining. I was sweating. So it was the shining sun that made me sweat. And I've joined the two sentences together here. And this is the idea of a cleft sentence. It was something that resulted in something else. It was his bad attitude that I didn't like. Yeah? What I didn't like was his bad attitude. Okay? So it was his bad attitude I didn't like. What I didn't like was the bad attitude. Okay, so this is the idea of cleft sentences. So yeah, so what John did is unforgivable. It's just impossible to forgive. Okay, so I haven't given all the details with the cleft here. What they are doing to the centre of town is unforgivable, is terrible. Okay, let's see. What I like to do on a Saturday afternoon is have a sleep before going out. Let's see, I know you like to go to the mountain on holiday, but where I like to go on holiday is to the beach. Yeah? Okay, so how I managed to do it is a difficult thing to explain. Cleft sentence again. You can do cleft sentences with all as well. All I wanted to do was to make you happy. All he does is sleep all day. Okay, all there is to do is watch the cars go by. You can use there as well. So there's a new film that I want to see. There's a new book that I want to buy. There are many people that I want to meet. These are cleft sentences as well. If I want to go out, it's because I'm bored. This is another one, but if with because, yeah, a reason for an action. If I go back to school, it's because I want to learn to program computers. Okay, so these are all examples of cleft sentences. Yeah, if you want to write in a more interesting way, cleft sentences are something that you should try to use. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Cleft sentences. Yeah? So, if there's something you should do, it is to give the video a rating.